Hey guys, I have something exciting to share. Let me back this up a little bit. Which one's which? Which one's which, guys? You see that? You see this? I mean, unless you're side by side, even when you're side by side, it looks pretty dang good. I think we finally did this. Leave it a good old Vietnam. If you saw my previous post, this is my first product of Vietnam. This is the new sample that we received today with the vein lines or the texture all over the console for the AP2 middle console. This is the original Honda one. You probably knew because it's a little dusty. I left it on purpose so that way you could tell which one was which. You know, this one has a little crack in it. This is not old. You know, this is 20 plus years old. This is the new one. And then I know if you haven't seen my previous video, you're gonna ask about the fitment. Well, this was the video I made before with this guy and this guy. These were the first samples. You can see these ones had the smooth texture. This was before it got essentially texturized, and I was testing the fitment and it was perfect, like perfect. I couldn't express even anymore how impressed I am on the fitment. This is the company in Vietnam that I went to go visit. Oh man, it's taken over a year now. It's about November of 2024. It's a year just to get to this level here, guys. That's how long it takes for mold injection. You know, this polypropylene, not not ABS plastic, polypropylene. You know, I went to Vietnam with this piece or with a similar piece, a Honda one, and I said, here, make me this. And this is where we're at, guys. And I wanted to share with you, I don't have a lot of these made yet. These are just the first samples that I'm signing off on. This is a recreation, but like a legit recreation. Anyways, thanks guys. Happy November. Don't forget, Black Friday sale is going on now on our website. 25% off, no codes needed, and 5% off other items that are not listed. So just go online and shop. Thank you guys. Take care.